I got these air fryer liners and they are non-stick and should leave no scorch residue, so I am very eager to try them out. Let's take a look at the other features. It says it's 100% food grade silicone, reusable and BPA free, easy cleaning and dishwasher safe. You gotta love that one. Foldable design for easy storage and high temperature resistant. So, ooh, yeah, okay. I can already feel the difference. Like, I was not getting the impression until I could feel it, but I was anticipating this type of effect for the silicone, and then when you feel the inside, you can tell that there's just a different texture to it. So let me take a look at this. Yeah, ooh, okay, they're actually cute too, right? It's a different texture on the inside and outside. So on the outside, it's this kind of matte finish. And then on the inside, you have this, the rubbery liner section, but then kind of these matte sections in the middle. Let's give it a shot in the kitchen. Making sure they are completely dry, we can begin to use them. You can still put it for one more thing on it. It just doesn't have to be once. I don't know. That makes smell. Mom, what do you smell? Well, I like to get these. They're actually really crunchy.
They are good. They're amazing.
Gee, our various foods came out so crisp and delicious. I love that I can have one batch of finger foods cooking while I fill the other air fryer liner with other tasty treats. Time for a taste test. They are very simple to clean, unlike the metal tray in my air fryer. After a rinse, nearly all food crumbs came off, which makes cleaning it quick and easy. I can tell this item will last for a long time. Plus, look how easy and compact it is for storage.